Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful adverbs in English. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga adverbs zikoreshwa cyane mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Arizo definitely, nta gushidikanya, always, igihe cyose, sometimes, rimwe na rimwe, often, akenshi, specifically, by'umwihariko, especially, cyane cyane, mainly, mostly, generally, typically, particularly, specifically, certainly, surely, truly, definitely, ndetse n'izindi nyinshi. Often, kenshi. Example, I often read books. I often read books. Nkunda gusoma ibitabo kenshi. They often play football. They often play football. Akenshi bakunda gukina umupira. Akenshi bakina umupira. Frequently, kenshi cyane. He frequently visits his mom. He frequently visits his mom. Asura mama we kenshi cyane. I get sick frequently. I get sick frequently. Nkunda kugwara kenshi cyane. Sometimes, rimwe na rimwe. Sometimes, rimwe na rimwe. We sometimes eat out. Rimwe na rimwe turira hanze. I sometimes cry. I sometimes cry. Rimwe na rimwe ndarira. Occasionally. Rimwe na rimwe. I occasionally watch TV. I occasionally watch TV. Rimwe na rimwe ndeba televiziyo. They occasionally go swimming. They occasionally go swimming. Rimwe na rimwe bajya koga. Rarely, gake. He rarely laughs. He rarely laughs. Aseka gake. I rarely eat meat. I rarely eat meat. Ndya inyama gake. Ni nayo mpamvu bajya bavuga ngo amafaranga ni rare. Amafaranga ntayibura. Rare ni ikintu cyibura cyangwa se ikintu kitaboneka kenshi. Never, nta na rimwe. I never smoke. Nta na rimwe nigeze nywa itabi. She never lies. Nta na rimwe ajya abeshya. Especially, cyane cyane. I love fruits, especially mangoes. I love fruits, especially mangoes. Nkunda imbuto cyane cyane imyembe. She's kind, especially to children. She's kind, especially to children. Ni umuntu mwiza cyane cyane ku bana. Always, buri gihe. I always brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth. Buri gihe noza amenyo yanjye cyangwa se ndaborosa. She always comes early. She always comes early. Buri gihe aza kare. Mainly, ahanini. We eat mainly vegetables. We eat mainly vegetables. Turya imboga ahanini. The school is mainly for girls. The school is mainly for girls. Ahanini ishuri ni iry'abakobwa. Mostly, akenshi. He is mostly quiet. He is mostly quiet. Akenshi aba acecetse. I drink water mostly. I drink water mostly. Nkunda kunywa amazi akenshi. Generally. Generally. Muri rusange. People generally like music. People generally like music. Abantu muri rusange bakunda umuziki. I generally sleep early. I generally sleep early. Muri rusange ndyama kare. Typically. Typically. Nk'uko bisanzwe bigenda. Typically, he works late. Asanzwe akora akerewe cyangwa se atinze. Rain typically comes in April. Imvura isanzwe igwa muri Mata. Particularly. Particularly. By'umwihariko. I like movies, particularly action. I like movies, particularly action. Nkunda filime by'umwihariko izo kugwana. She is particularly good at drawing. She is particularly good at drawing. Ni mwiza by'umwihariko mu gushushanya. Mu yandi magambo, azi gushushanya by'umwihariko. Specifically. Specifically. By'umwihariko. I came specifically to see you. I came specifically to see you. Naje by'umwihariko kukureba. He asked specifically for help. He asked specifically for help. Certainly. Certainly. Rwose. I will certainly help you. I will certainly help you. Rwose nzagufasha. She is certainly right. She is certainly right. Afite ukuri rwose. Surely. Surely. Rwose. Ntashidikanya. He will surely come. He will surely come. You will surely succeed. You will surely succeed. Uzatsinda ntashidikanya. Uzatsinda ntashidikanya. Iri jambo surely rishobora gusobanura rwose cyangwa se ntashidikanya. Truly. Truly. Koko. I truly love you. Ndagukunda koko. I truly love you. Ndagukunda koko. He truly cares. He truly cares. Koko yita ku bantu cyangwa se ku bintu. Definitely. Definitely. Nta gushidikanya. I will definitely call you. I will definitely call you. Nta gushidikanya nzaguhamagara. I will definitely call you. Nta gushidikanya nzaguhamagara. It is definitely wrong. It is definitely wrong. Ni amakosa nta gushidikanya. It is definitely wrong. Ni amakosa nta gushidikanya. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.